The manufacturing process of jute bags typically involves several stages, from obtaining raw jute fiber to producing a finished product. Here's a breakdown of the complete process: sourcing jute. Jute fiber is primarily sourced from jute plants, which are grown in humid climates, mainly in India and Bangladesh. The fibers are extracted from the stem of the jute plant. Grading. The raw jute is graded based on its color, length, strength, and cleanliness. Retting. The harvested jute stalks are submerged in water, retained for a few weeks to loosen the fibers. This allows easier separation of fibers from the woody part of the stalk. Stripping and washing. After retting, the fibers are stripped, washed to remove impurities, and then dried in the sun. Softening and carding. The dried fibers are softened with oil, like jute batching oil, to increase flexibility, then carded to align the fibers and remove any impurities. The soft, combed fibers are spun into yarn or threads, usually by spinning machines. These jute yarns vary in thickness based on the requirements for different products. The yarn is then wound onto spools or bobbins, ready for weaving, looming. The jute yarn is woven into fabric on a loom, which can be either power-operated or manually operated. The woven jute fabric is typically called Hessian or burlap cloth, though the weave pattern can vary for different end-use requirements. The weaving process results in large sheets of jute fabric, which will later be cut into required shapes and sizes for bags. If colored or patterned jute bags are needed, the fabric can be dyed or bleached to achieve different colors. Printing can also be done on the jute fabric using various techniques like screen printing or digital printing to add logos, designs, or branding. The jute fabric is cut into pieces based on the size and shape of the bags to be made. The cut pieces are stitched together using industrial sewing machines. Handles are attached at this stage if required, and they can be made from jute, cotton, or other materials. After stitching, any loose threads are trimmed, and quality checks are performed to ensure the bags meet desired standards. Laminations or coatings can be applied to make the bag waterproof or to add durability if. The manufacturing process of jute bags typically involves several stages, from obtaining raw jute fiber to producing a finished product. Here's a breakdown of the complete process. Sour bag is inspected for defects like loose stitching or fabric inconsistencies. Once they pass quality checks, the jute bags are pressed and folded neatly for packing. The bags are then packaged in bulk for shipping or distribution to retailers. The finished bags are distributed to wholesalers, retailers, or directly to customers, depending on the business model. This is a high-level overview. Some manufacturers may add specific steps or use different techniques based on the quality, size, and type of jute bags they are producing.